We built this multi-sport court in East Islip, New York. This court was built on recycled concrete base with a thin layer of bluestone to level the surface. On one side we built a Nicolak patio leading to the house with a walkway. We installed synthetic turf around the entire court. We landscaped the whole area with gravel flower beds, beach grasses, and flowers. This is a unique setting right by the water. The court is set up to be a multi-sport court, including pickleball with 2 shuffleboards inlaid into the court, and the multi-sport netting adjustable to be a pickleball, badminton, and volleyball. We used dark green color for the inlay of the pickleball with the red surrounding perimeter. This is the latest Gappsi multi-sport installation built in East Islip,